Welcome back. So today we'll be talking about Azure AD authentication for Windows, which is lab 10 of SC300. So why do we use Azure AD authentication? So basically organizations can improve the security of Windows virtual machine in Azure by integrating with Azure Active Directory authentication. And we can centrally control and enforce Azure role-based access control and control access policies that allows or denies the virtual machine access. So this is the basic definition of it, and let's go ahead and create a resource now. So if you click create resource, let's search for Windows here. So let's search for Windows, and we'll be prompted to a Windows server. So click that, and here we have different plans. So for this we'll be using 2019 data center, which is here. You can see Windows Server 2019 data center, so click that. And you can also view the other parameters here, like overview, plans, usage information, support, as well as reviews. So you can see if you want though, but in this case I'm just going and creating it. So everything is right. So I'm just keeping SC300 VM group. So if you don't have any specific group, you can just create new and you can add the name here. It will be done for you. So once it's done, let's give the name here, which is SC300 VM. And let's give the username and password. In this case, I'll be giving admin12. Let me add a password as well. So it's done. Let's go to the management section now. So here make sure that you enable this, the system assigned managed identity. So once this is done, let's go ahead and review and create it. So we have got validation failed. I'm not sure why it's saying that. So I was not sure like why it showed before. However, like there is no policy which is stopping this. So the validation has been passed. Let's go ahead and create it. So right now it's in deployment stage. Meanwhile, let's go to the virtual machines and wait for it to be. So there you go. So we have got the virtual machine here. So let's click that. And here you can see we have an access control, IAM roles. So click that. And you can see we can assign the role here. So just click that. And let's select virtual machine administrator. So let's search for a virtual machine. So there are two options: virtual machine administrator login as well as user login. So if it is administrator, view virtual machines in portal and login as an administrator, whereas if you talk about user, view virtual machine in the portal and login as a regular user. So this is the basic difference between these two. So let's select the first one here and just select it. So coming to the next stage, let's add the members here. So you can add the members, or you can directly add a group here. So you can see there is a SSPR which we have created in the previous video. So I'll just selecting it. So just for the demo case, so the people who are inside this group can access this virtual machine. So they'll be having a virtual machine administrator privilege so that they can log in as administrator and view the virtual machines. So you can also write in description if you want though. So once it is done, just review it and create it. So this is how you can use Azure AD authentication for Windows. So I'll be keeping the relevant videos in the description for you to watch. If you like the video, please click the like button below, and if not subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and please share the video. Thanks everyone.